Welcome to my channel and this week review of stock markets and stocks in my portfolio. TSX finished down 1.3% for the month of June, and up 4.6% for the first half of the year. Relative to American market, TSX outperformed Dow Jones on a year-to-date basis, but falls far behind S&P 500 and Nasdaq, as they continue to be fueled by AI craze. Speaking of AI craze, it is possible that this week we finally saw the signs of a potential correction in AI sector, which should lead to a correction in S&P and Nasdaq markets, as I have been anticipating over the last few weeks. This correction in technology sector might lead to reallocation of funds to commodities and industrial sector, giving some support, or even a small boost, to Dow Jones and TSX indexes. My self-managed portfolio performance saw a rather disappointing gain of 2.3% for the first half of the year, which is way below my historic annualized average of 12.5%. The weaker performance was attributed to a couple of risky bets on startups at the beginning of the year, followed by a significant drop in their share prices. Nevertheless, I remain optimistic about the future of these companies, and chances are high that their stocks will contribute to a boost in my portfolio performance in the upcoming months or years. The two stocks in my portfolio that saw a significant price action during the week are Fieara Capital and MDA Space. I already mentioned Fieara in my last week review, and, as I expected, the upward momentum that started last Friday continued this week. I remain bullish on this stock, although some short-term price fluctuations are warranted. Its dividend of 12% from my purchase price is a sweet icing on the cake. MDA Space is quite a remarkable Canadian technology company that I am very proud to have in my portfolio. It designs, manufactures, and services space robotics, satellite systems, and intelligence systems in Canada and internationally. This week, the company announced that it has been awarded $1 billion from the Canadian Space Agency to design and deliver Canadarm3 flight system. The contract is expected to run until March 2030 and will be added to MDA's backlog in the second quarter of fiscal 2024. The announcement gave a 13% boost to the stock price, and this momentum might continue next week. Once I saw the announcement, I also added MDA stock to my recently created swing trading account. Unfortunately, on the morning of the announcement, I decided to skip reading market news, contrary to my usual routine. So I only saw the news in the middle of the day, when the stock was already up 8%. So this week gave me another valuable lesson, in addition to those from previous week episode. Never skip daily news, if you want to maximize your investment returns. Starting in July, I am considering making some big changes in my trading strategy. I will talk more about these changes in my next episode.